Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll give you a device preview of the GameSir T7. The GameSir T7 is a budget-friendly, officially licensed Xbox controller designed to deliver premium durability and ergonomics without a massive price tag. GameSir also offers the T7 Pro variants such as the Sugar Wheel and Floral editions, which build on the base model by introducing wireless 3-mode connectivity and customizable back paddles. Now let's look at the comparison, starting with connection type. The GameSir T7 is wired only with a 3-meter detachable USB-C cable, while the T7 Pro has wireless 3-mode, 2.4 GHz, Bluetooth, and wired. The base T7 has Hall effect joysticks, and the T7 Pro features tunnel magneto-resistant sticks. The GameSir T7 is equipped with Hall effect analog triggers, and the T7 Pro has Hall effect analog triggers plus 2-stage trigger stops. Both are equipped with durable membrane buttons, but only the T7 Pro has 2 remappable tactile back buttons. Both also have 4 rumble motors in the grips and triggers, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and software support via the GameSir Nexus app. The base T7 does not have RGB lighting or a battery, while the T7 Pro is equipped with customizable RGB ring lights and a 1050 mAh lithium battery. The controller has a 250 Hz polling rate on Xbox and up to 1000 Hz on PC. It is not supported on Nintendo Switch or PS5, but it can be connected to a PC. As I mentioned, it fully supports the GameSir Nexus software for button remapping, stick and trigger dead zone adjustment, and vibration tuning. Now let's look at the controller layout. Here you'll find the Xbox button, View, Menu, Share, and Mode buttons, which let you control basic settings manually. For example, you can enable the turbo function. Next, we have the Xbox layout with XYAB buttons, 2 asymmetrical sticks, and a 4-way D-pad. At the bottom, you'll find the serial number, and on the front, 2 triggers and 2 bumpers. The headphone jack is located here. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.